Moscow is the capital and largest city of Russia. It is located in the western part of the country on the banks of the Moscow River, and serves as the political, economic, cultural, and scientific center of the Russian Federation. General facts: Name in Russia: Moscow. Population: over 12 million people, making it of the most popular cities in Europe. Area: approximately 2,500 square kilometers. Time: UTC + Moscow time. Currently, Russian public. Official language: Russian. Political and administrative importance. It is the seat of the Russian government, including the Kremlin, where the president works, home to the State Duma and the Supreme Court. It is the capital of the Soviet Union before its dissolution 1991, along with the other cities like Saint Petersburg, different historic periods. Economy and development. Moscow is Russia's most important economic center, hosting the headquarters of major companies, banks, and the multinationals. It half of the eight urban EPS and Europe. Key sectors include transportation, construction, information technology, and tourism. Education and science. Moscow is home to world-renowned universities, such as Moscow State University is a hub of scientific research, with dozens of institutes, laboratories, and libraries. Culture and arts. A symbol of Russian culture, featuring important textures like the Bolshoi Theater Museum like the Pushkin Museum of the Theatre Gallery, hosts film music at the art literature festivals, famous for its architecture from gold domed orthodox structures to towering Spanish skyscrapers. Landmarks. Red Square, the historical heart of the city next to the Kremlin and Lenin's mausoleum. St. Basil's Cathedral, known for its colorful domes. Moscow Metro, considered of the most beautiful metro systems in the world. Gorky Park and the Federation Tower, one of the tallest in Europe. Transportation. It has an extensive network of metro trams, buses, and urban trains. The Moscow Metro is one of the largest and most efficient in the world, with over 200 stations. Interesting facts: Moscow has been the scene of major historical events, such as the Napoleonic invasion of 1812, the Russian Revolution, and World War II. It has been ranked several times as one of the most expansive cities in the world to live in. It's a city of contrasts blending imperial history, Soviet hierarchies, and the more global influence.